Hello, Cosmos Explorers. This is Spacelag, and today we're embarking on a stellar journey to unravel one of the universe's greatest mysteries: what would happen if two black holes collided? Black holes are the gravitational monsters of the universe, so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. Just imagine, a single black hole is already a force to be reckoned with, but what if two of these cosmic giants clashed? They could potentially alter the very structure of space itself. But what would this cataclysmic collision look like? And could it, in any way, affect our beloved Earth? Stay tuned, because that's what we're going to find out today on Spacelag. Now, we know we still don't have the ability to capture or control black holes. So, let's use our imagination and observe from a giant telescope, here from the safety of Earth. Suddenly, something strange appears in our view. Another black hole. Yes, and it seems a cosmic encounter is about to take place. In the vast universe, even these gravitational titans can meet. You might expect a nuclear explosion of gigantic proportions, but the reality is a bit more subtle, though no less fascinating. To understand the collision of black holes, we need to dive into a bit of theory. Black holes come in all sizes and shapes, and the magnitude of their collision depends on which types are meeting. Stellar mass black holes are the most common, with up to 20 times the mass of our Sun, but they would fit within a sphere much smaller than our star. Returning to our observation, we see the two black holes approaching, beginning to orbit each other, drawing matter and gas into a vortex between them. Brace yourselves for a long wait, as it may take billions of years until their cores merge. When they finally become one, they oscillate and stabilize into a new, larger black hole. Now, you might be wondering about the explosion. Well, the excess energy from the collision is released into the universe in the form of gravitational waves. These waves, predicted by Albert Einstein over a century ago, were first observed in 2015 by the Advanced LIGO Gravitational Wave Observatory. They are so subtle that they change the distance between the Sun and Earth by no more than the diameter of a hydrogen atom. And what about supermassive black holes? Would their collision be more dramatic? With a mass of at least hundreds of thousands of times that of our Sun, these behemoths may never actually collide. They would approach each other until reaching a gravitational equilibrium and remain in orbit. But, add a third supermassive to the mix, and you'd have a silent, yet powerful merger, sending gravitational waves throughout the universe. Despite being insatiable and unstoppable forces, we have nothing to fear from the collision of black holes. Unless, of course, it happens close to our solar system. In that case, the resulting merger could destroy all nearby planets. But don't worry, to observe a black hole without turning into human spaghetti, just keep a safe distance. So, what do you think, Spacelag crew? Ready for more space adventures? Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any universe updates. Until next time, and may gravity always be in our favor.